Is he reading? Has the solution enhanced his learning ability?
What a surprise. An intelligent agent is much more valuable than cannon fodder. Is the brainwashing device ready?
I've finished debugging it, Miss Gila.
That's enough! Come with me! Are these books really that interesting? I need it!
We can start now, Miss Gila. I feel sad for you. What a perfect sample. It would be a pity if he became a retard. Gila, can't I dissect him before we brainwash him?
Enough. Loyalty comes first. Let's start.
All right, he'll be mine sooner or later. Good luck, test object.
2 attribute points have been added to intelligence. The system is judging again.
Come on! Faster!
Whew, that was close. Thank goodness the brainwashing failed. All I need to do next is play along with them. It's time to put on an act. Now, answer my question. Who are you? I am Zero.
Web novel comics, never so easy.